Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and tools. First, back up personal files to an external drive or cloud so nothing is lost. Once done, download the Windows 10 ISO and HP drivers, then use a tool to create a bootable USB drive with at least 8 GB. Make sure the laptop is plugged into power and that you have any product keys or HP recovery media ready. This prevents interruptions mid-format and speeds the process. You now boot from the USB and run the installer. Restart and press the HP key for BIOS/boot options, set USB first, then continue to Windows setup. Choose Custom Install, delete existing partitions to remove old system files, and create a new NTFS partition for a clean install. After Windows copies files and completes initial setup, install drivers in order, chipset first, then graphics, audio, and network to ensure devices work correctly. Make sure to reboot when prompted to finalize driver configuration. You finish by updating and restoring. Run Windows Update repeatedly until all critical updates are applied, and install HP Support Assistant to get vendor-specific updates. Then restore your files, confirm Windows activation, and tweak privacy and power settings to your preference. If something goes wrong, like boot failures, use the USB recovery drive to run startup repair, or enter BIOS to reset defaults and recheck boot order. These steps usually resolve common issues and let you complete a stable, formatted system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.